representing Rockefeller Foundation and FWGA, which stands for Fortified Whole Grain Alliance. And we had promised to assist in terms of capacity development for the production of fortified whole grain flour. And today we've come with a meal that we promised to deliver, and also to demonstrate how it works. I'm the technical lead for all the Rockefeller Foundation Food Initiative project. So wherever we have a technical issue, most probably you always find me here. But we have other senior members. I know most of you have interacted with the directors, Betty Kibara and the rest, and also the team that we came with last time. But we agreed with Waziri just to aid in not to make a delay in possibly contributing to your startup for the school feeding, for the ECD feeding program, which is to begin on 1st June. At least we can have the meal already in operation. We demonstrate how it works, then you can forward it to whichever miller that you want to partner with. Then for official launch towards school feeding program. Is one of the best small meals you can ever find in the market. This meal can efficiently replace a typical portion eating. Because one, you don't have any element of your flour getting contaminated with the diesel and the fumes that come along with the diesel portionings. Secondly, you can see it occupies a very small space and is very energy efficient. Is driven by a very efficient motor that rotates at 21,000 revolutions per minute, making it very efficient, as small as it is. It doesn't make noise. And this mill can be operated using electrical power and also solar power. So it's a module. You can just connect directly to power. It's an intelligent mill. It has a lot of other gadgets here that you can monitor. You attach it, connect to an application, you monitor its performance and what it's doing. The other beauty with this mill is user-friendly to both youngsters and women. It does not require a lot of spanners, a lot of power. I've demonstrated to the team. I don't want to take a lot of your time. You can dismantle this mill up to the last minute using a hand, and I can just, for purposes of demonstration, all the screws can be done by ladies. And actually we had one of the ladies opening them and tightening them just to demonstrate. It's very friendly for women. So you can, very easy to demonstrate. You can remove, and is uniquely designed. Once you dismantle, there's no way you can misplace the reassembly, because the way it's designed, you cannot place the equipment in a wrong position. Like this is a top cover, and the way you've seen, you can just dismantle using that and then open it up. Inside, the motor is in here, and this is what we call technically the beaters the hammers. These are the two hammers. So they are rotated by the motor. Again, is this a screen? This screen, if you open these three, again, you can open manually. You can also remove it. I don't want to take a lot of your time. I'll demonstrate it to the team and assemble again. You cannot misassemble because the holes and the fittings, they just direct you. You can also remove, this is the entry to the hopper, and then here is what we call the regulator, floor regulator, the black thing that you see there, in combination with this plate. So it's the way it's designed, it can automatically control the flow to the mill. So you cannot overload it. It only allows constant amount of maize or whatever grain you're milling to go through. So you don't stand a chance of overmilling. And also you stand a chance of getting constant capacity throughput. And you can also dismantle everything to maybe to do your cleaning by hand. Again, everything here is doable by hand. You don't need a spanner. Any lady can do it. You disassemble, you fit it. You can mill flours of different sizes. What determines the flour fineness is this sieve. And we brought it together with spare sieves. You know, typically hammer milling, this sieve sometimes gets worn out because you might have some stones coming with the maize. Then if it gets worn out, you just use these 3 nuts. You remove it, you replace your seed. So this is, if you are putting in or you are feeding in good quality maize, can even give you more than a year's service. So already you have another 2 sets that can serve you for long. And then you just take it back because I want us to mill. It's self-fitting, and you cannot, of course, misalign it because this will be the top, the hopper, and then this is the bottom. So it's just guiding. You just see it will just guide you where this ones will fit. So you just fit it just like that, as simple as that. You return your bolts by hand. Can we have a lady doing it so that the governor can? Governor, you can also do it just by hand.
Yeah.
Just and the nail will start. So it runs. If the senses there's no dog, it will be shut. But you can still shut it. You can still shut it manually. But when you load and then it emits and finishes what was there, it will just continue running a little bit and shut for purposes of energy. Recommended is run it a bit, let it attain the maximum revolutions, then you load your maize. So, Your Excellency, just tap it, then you will load. There, yeah. Finger tu kidogo. Kidogo tu, itarani. Then you load on this. This weight is very friendly for women.
How much does it cost?
Waziri atamu in that plant to a cyclone for separation, then in another packing. So there are 2 packages. One using power, and then the other one is solar panel. I think the one for solar panel, the last time I checked, is around 300,000 something. This one, I can't remember, is around 100. She can give you idea about what it was. I give you that. You know, this time we just bought it. Not after I just bought it, but it's around, I think 186 or something. Make sure that hatujaibiwa. So unaona hapa hakuna kitu. Have I answered your